Beach. Ay,
Sagada.
Sagada. Wala sa option yung sagot. Okay. Hi ATM, this is Patrick Quiroz and I'm about to play This or That.
Beach or Baguio?
Beach.
Beach or swimming pool?
Beach.
Beach or staycation sa hotel?
Beach.
Beach or amusement park?
Beach.
Beach or camping?
Beach.
Beach or night market?
Beach.
Beach or road trip?
Beach.
Beach or mall hopping?
Beach.
Beach or concert?
Ooh. Beach.
Beach or paid movie night?
Beach.
Beach or tulog lang buong weekend?
Beach.
Beach or food trip sa buffet?
Beach.
Beach or coffee with a view?
Beach.
Beach or picnic sa park?
Beach.
Okay. Sagada or Tagaytay?
Beach. Ay,
Sagada.
Sagada. Wala sa option yung sagot. Okay. Sagada.
Sagada or La Union?
Ito. Kayo na lang sumagot. Ito. Sagada.
Sagada or cuddle better?
Sagada.
Sagada or Japan?
Japan.
Japan or Switzerland?
Switzerland. Thank you so much guys for watching and please support me All Out Sundays every Sunday po yan, 12 noon sa GMA 7. And you guys can follow me at Patrick Quiroz _ on my socials. Thank you so much!